Oh, sorry.
That's right. When you want to stop, just press the one below. So what the interesting things that he did is that he's building up bit by bit. And you notice that if you count, actually, he's adding things in every 4 cycles, 4 bars, or every 8 bars. That's why it's got a build up. There's actually a math to this. And he then cuts off some things so that you feel, oh, something's gone, then boom, he drops it back in again. So this is some of the things that we're going to actually practice getting used to.